It's always a good time for Slav Polka. Oi, oi! Bring the beat.
This, my friends, is a WRX STI 2007, and we are going to make this into a drift car. First things first, gotta put coilovers on it. These are actually Racelands. Now this is actually the higher end ones. That's the information right there. And I'm gonna be putting these on the car. Those are the fronts, those are the rears. I already got the extenders on them. Already got the car jacked up. Gonna do the rears first and then we'll do the fronts. Got my little fan going. And don't mind this is my buddy's car. It's 350Z drift car. But first things first is we got this thing wrapped in like a matte blue. Pick this up, STI, yep, STI everything. Cob tuner. I got just a aftermarket shift knob on there, something a little bit nicer. Got some more goodies to go on the car. That's a front mount kit sitting over there. And let's just get started at this thing. I did already put some of these spacers on, but that's that. So I did want to say that these two bolts, both of them are 19s, and then we got 3 up top that are all 13s, and then this will come out super easy. Doesn't take much. And just like that, a little movie magic. Boom, got the rears done. The other side's already done. Time to do the front. So now the backs are down on the ground. Let's get the fronts done. Oh, so much to do. It's hot out. Let's get this done. I know I kind of skipped over some of these processes, but the fronts are exactly like the rears. So, and plus there's a million videos on how to do this stuff. The only thing that I would say is I did put a little bit more camber into this. So what I did was I jacked up the car, loosened these, and actually took these front two out, moved them back one spot, and then pushed the whole unit forward and tightened everything down while it was in the air. And then put it on the ground, just confirmed that everything was tight, and that's pretty much it. But that was just to add a little bit more camber in the front because these are notorious for understeer. So I wanted to get a little bit more camber out of it. Hopefully that would help the understeer. I might actually add a little bit more camber in down the road. So let's go take it out for a quick drive, see how it is, and go from there. Just like that, easy, lowered, done. Obviously a bunch of videos again out there, so find another one. I'm not doing installation videos, but check it out. Looks a lot better lowered than before, where's like monster truck status. Like, no offense to this dude, but his car is like how mine was, monster truck status. So it looks a lot better, a lot lower. I'm gonna have to, still adjust and play around with the ride height, but it's looking a lot better than what it did before. Loving it. Suspension's awesome, really smooth. I like it a lot. And next video, we're actually making this car rear-wheel drive. We're gonna swap it over to a rear-wheel drive setup so I can drift it. And that's something that I know a lot of people don't like or probably won't like, but who knows? I'm gonna have fun with it. It's my car, I can do what I want. So guys, I just wanted to let you know this is actually the part I needed to make this car rear wheel drive. And you see all the splines in there? All you have to do is unbolt the back part of the transmission. Come on, focus. Focus. That's being wonky. You unbolt the back end of the transmission, pull out the center diff or the adjustable one, which this car does have, and then you literally just put this spool in there. Boom, rear wheel drive. That's all you need. Simple as that. And while I'm in there, might as well do some shifter bushings from White Line, because this bad boy's a little floppy. So that's third gear. It should not do that. That's ridiculous. So we'll get that all figured out and done. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.